Rio was a tiny bird, but he feared the endless open sky deeply. Other birds flew happily above, while Rio watched silently from below, feeling left out. He stayed hidden in bushes, believing the sky was too dangerous for him. Every time he looked up, his heart filled with fear and doubt. One day, a powerful storm suddenly covered the sky with dark clouds and thunder. A helpless baby bird got stuck on a weak branch, shaking with fear. Other birds panicked, flying around, but none could reach the frightened little bird. Rio felt something different. Fear was there, but courage slowly started rising inside him. For the first time, Rio jumped into the sky with trembling wings and closed eyes. Suddenly, he realized he wasn't falling. He was flying for the first time. With courage, Rio reached the baby bird and gently saved it from danger. He landed safely. Rain stopped and warm sunlight filled the sky beautifully again. All the birds cheered for Rio, who once feared the sky but became a hero. Rio smiled while flying high, realizing fear disappears when you finally face it. The moral of this story is fear may feel real, but courage is stronger when you choose to try.